I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to 19617 East Ocotillo Road right here in Queen Creek. This is a luxury estate sitting on 6 acres. Let's take a look. This kitchen was designed with entertainment in mind. You have custom lower cabinets and upper cabinets, luxury appliances, and an individual prep sink. But my favorite is the resort style pool that we have a view from right from your kitchen. Now the lot is 6 acres, but this part is all gated off so you can have your own private oasis and an outdoor kitchen. Far enough to feel like the country, but close to everything. Listen, this property has a lot to show you, but you need to come and see it for yourself. I'll see you there.